So this video is on the cold air intake on a 93 Chevy OBS or C1500, and this is the Holley high flow on a small block Chevy. See, and what I did is I bought two of the $50 kits off of eBay, or no, Amazon, and put them together because I needed to make two turns, so it only comes with one turn. But if you try to buy the 4-inch pipe with the turn already in it, ends up costing as much as two kits just for the pipe. So I just bought two kits. They're like $50-some on Amazon. Not bad. And then put a 90. And what you have to clear is the throttle cable. So you have to clear that. And so, because when it opens right into the intake there. So then here's my air temperature sensor. Here's my crankcase breather going back to the valve cover. Then there's a PVC. I already have a video out on it. Pretty much it's the same thing as what was on the ProFlow 4. And then what I did is this airbox, I can't remember how you pronounce the name, Voltaire or something like that. Airbox was an airbox I had that they sell for the TBI. And it has a 5-inch hole in it. Well, I really don't have the room to run a 5-inch tube up to a 4-inch collector, so I went from 4-inch to 5-inch reducer or adapter, whatever you want to call it, and then put my my filter back on inside the airbox, so I could maintain and not have a big gap around here. So still a 5-inch air filter, gives me more air filter surface. In the wintertime, I run an open grate or a mesh style grate on the top, get a little hot air in the motor. In the summer, I'll change it back to the sealed top and just pull fresh air in from the fender like the factory air cleaner system did, cold air induction. So that's pretty much it. There's a shot of it there. You know, I'm into it for, I don't know, not all that much money compared to buying a rubber elbow and a coupler, you know, and then the aluminum bins. You start buying those and you're into it for a lot more than the two Amazon kits. And I just kept looking at them, and I kind of figured I could get them to work. And the reason my temperature sensor is here, air temperature sensor is here, I wanted as close to the intake as I could get it, but I can't interfere with the throttle body, so I have about a finger space between them, so that will, you know, they won't interfere. And then I put my crankcase breather down here because it will spit a little oil every now and then, so that's just the nature of the beast, you know. It gets a little misty oil up in there, even though there is baffles and oil separators and stuff in it. And I don't want to get my my air temperature sensor full of oil. Thanks for watching.